Çay içip tabak ısıp arak ısıp yattılar bugün Demal'da. Verdi Demal verip yattılar.
Snowstorm in Kazakhstan. Astana, the resilient capital of Kazakhstan, confronted a formidable winter storm on February 8, 2024, as snow and wind unleashed chaos throughout the city. Heavy snowfall and powerful winds necessitated the transition of second-shift students to remote learning, prioritizing their safety. The city swiftly mobilized a massive operation involving over 2,400 road workers and 1,600 specialized pieces of equipment to clear more than 55,000 cubic meters of snow from the streets.
Вот бізде келесі вызов вселенная 28А. Белден келетін қар. Мына көшені до конца жүруіміз керек. 3-4 көшені.
Despite flight cancellations and delays at Astana Airport, the city's indomitable spirit shone through as its inhabitants worked tirelessly to mitigate the storm's impact. In response to the adverse weather conditions, Astana's administration orchestrated a coordinated effort to combat the storm's aftermath. The decision to shift second-shift students to online classes, as reported by Tengrinews.ks, facilitated safe passage amidst the storm's fury.
Вот такая погода у нас. Тут азапты отыр.
The city's resilience was evident in the mobilization of over 2,400 road workers and a fleet of specialized equipment to restore normalcy. Their collective endeavor resulted in the removal of a staggering 55,000 cubic meters of snow from the city's thoroughfares. However, the storm's repercussions extended to Astana Airport, where operations were significantly affected, with 15 flights canceled and 18 delayed due to strong winds on the airfield challenges.
Вот такая погода у нас. Тут азапты отыр.